This is the 38E Standard Sports Bra PDF pattern preview, starting with the cover page, which also has a test square so you can confirm you've printed your pattern correctly. Let's move on to page 1, which has the center front cup patterns. We have two options here, one that will be cut for the zip and one fold option. This is so you can make a pull-on style sports bra or a zip front sports bra. On page 2 we have the decorative center front pieces, which are optional. One shoulder strap, another shoulder strap, part of the adjustable Velcro strap option, as well as part of the zipper tab. Onto page 3 we have the right outer cup pattern, which also has a frame. On page 4 we have the rest of the zipper tab and then the rest of the adjustable Velcro back shoulder strap, since it fits on 2 pages. On page 5 and on page 6 we have the regular U-back band, since it occupies 2 pages. I've also included a cutting checklist and a sewing steps PDF so that you have a guide when you're working on your sports bra. Check out the pattern, it's absolutely free. It will be linked in the description box below. I'll also link the collection page in case 38E isn't your size. You can find your size in there so you can sew yourself a sports bra this summer. Come back tomorrow for the next pattern drop. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!